Hello there, Vladimir Ribakov is here. How are you? In this video I'm about to share with you the money and management methods for the LST. LST was designed to trade very specific money and management method. This money and management method is the statistical method. It's all about statistic. What does it mean? And this is the actual secret of the huge success behind the LST. And this is very simple. Take more than you're ready to lose. What do I mean by that? And why is it so good? What you are about to see right here, right now, is the secret behind the real numbers. You can lose money with 90% success, and you can make money with 40% of success. That's why the LST was designed to be traded the simple way of trading, the simple way of money and management. Take more than you risk. But before we start, it's very important for me to say that what you are about to see here, what you are about to learn here, what I'm about to teach you and share with you, is the exact part for my webinars. As you can see, this is part of my seminar presentations that I teach worldwide. So let's begin and don't waste time. Why is it so good and why it's so important? First of all, it allows you to control your risk. The risk is proportional to the reward and always makes sense. It avoids any psychological issue that most traders experience during losing trade, as you need to have a lot less profitable trades to be in net profit. I will explain more soon. With a risk reward of 1 to 2, you need only 33.3 of trades to be successful in order to break even. Which means that with 40% success, just 40% success, you make good profit. You make real money, you make great money. Let me prove you. This is a table I prepared for you, just an example. I took an account size, a normal account size of $5,000, and my risk reward per every single trade will be 1 to 2, as same as the LST designed to be. My risk per every single trade will be exactly the same, 1% per every single trade. 1% equal to money, it's $50. My stop loss in dollars, will be $50 per every single trade, which is exactly 1% from my account size. My stop loss in pips will be different per trade. Sometimes it's 50, 100, 25, etc, etc, etc. The only thing that will be changed, of course, is the lot size. Sometimes it will be 0.1, 0.05. The bigger the stop loss in pips is, the lower the lot size is. And the smaller the stop loss in pips is, the bigger the lot size is. That's the secret to make it steady profitable. I took only 40% of success. You can see here profit against loss. I profit only 4 times from 10 trades, and I lost 6 trades from 10, which means my success rate was 40%. My total P&L in percent will be, remember, every single trade profit is 2% because of the risk reward ratio 1 to 2, and every losing trade is 1% minus. So plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2. In total, with 40% of success only, I am plus 2% profitable. You still don't believe me? Let's move forward to see a statement. Take a look here at this statement, friends. This is the initial deposit. Total net profit was 8% profit, $800. Pay attention for most important thing. Pay attention for the percent of total profitable trades. You see this line? It's around 40%. With 40% success only, I did 8% profit in total from 18 trades. How? While the loss trades was more than 55%. How did I do it? The secret is here. Pay attention for the average profitable trade. It's around $200. The average loss trade is around $100. Means I took twice than I risked per every single trade. I risked 100, which is 1% from my account, and I took 2% at least. And this is the average. The average was around $200 profit. The average loss was around 100. I kept 1 to 2, and with only 40% success, I did 8% profit on my account, on my deposit, only thanks to 18 trades. Can you imagine how big was my profit if it was 180 trades? It was 10 times bigger, which means 80% profit on my deposit, on my account, with only 40% of success. That's the secret. Take more than you risk. One more time, take more than you risk. That's the secret behind the LST, as simple as it sounds. And I have a question for you. Most of us are looking or were looking for the Holy Grail, right? Does the Holy Grail exist? The answer is no. What is the Holy Grail? Most of us believe that with 90% of success, that's the strategy I want to trade. Really? Let me prove you wrong. Do 90% successful trades guarantee me profits? What, Vlad? You serious? No? And I say one more time, no, no, no. Why not? Let me show you this, friends. Pay attention for this chart. Would you buy this strategy if you were looking for this chart? No way. You were kidding and saying, oh come on, how dare you sell it to me? But let's go for the numbers. If you would see this, 90% success rate from the profitable trades, from all the trades, from more than 800 trades, 90% success. Would you buy that? You would say, oh, that's the Holy Grail I'm looking for, right? So friends, wake up. 90% success, and your chart looks like that. Why? Because of the risk reward. Pay attention. The average trade, profitable trade, was around $10. The average losing trade was around 200. 1 to 20 negative risk reward ratio. Is it possible to make money with that? No. Here is the proof. So the next time you see something like that, I have a strategy that makes 90% successful trades, don't believe it. There is no Holy Grail, there are no magics, there is simplicity. And keep it simple, you will make money. Keep it simple, I mean do like this. Take more than you risk. That's how the LST was designed for. The LST is based all on divergences. Divergences is my way of trading. There are many kinds of divergences. The LST was designed specifically for this kind of risk-reward trading concept. If you keep it this way, with only 40% of success, you will make money. It's all about good risk-reward. And for that, we created a very, very unique script. Pay attention for that. This is the LST. It will identify divergences for you. It will give you a signal once there is a candle pattern confirmation, and it will give you the take profit you have to do. Once you have all on your chart, all you have to do is to go for the script and you set your stop loss. Let's take for example, this is euro dollar. This is the chart right now. 130.95 is the price. Let's say 130 is my stop, 133 will be my profit. I can set fixed lot size, or I can choose the risk percent. I choose to trade with the risk percent. It's 1%. I press OK. Pay attention here. It gives me the details of the trades, and gives me the stop loss, the take profit, and most important, the risk reward ratio. Is it more to 1 to 2? Yes. Is it good trade? Definitely. This is the lot size that will be opened. Once you click yes, the trade will be done to your platform. We created that to make your trading life much simpler. The LST was designed to trade divergences, to trade the candle patterns, to give you all the details before the trade, and all you have to do is follow the rules, follow the risk reward, and make money. Thank you very much for your time. Yours, Vladimir.